Good morning, students. I am Shabina. I am coming from KGBV CS Puram. I am going to deal with the 9th class maths. Today, we are discussing about polynomials. Polynomials. A polynomial is defined as an expression which consists of single or multiple terms. A polynomial is defined as an expression which consists of single or multiple terms. Single or multiple terms. A polynomial is originated from two different terms. A polynomial is originated from two different terms as poly and nomial. Poly means many, nomial means terms. A polynomial is originated from two different terms such as poly and nomial. Poly means many, nomial means terms. The polynomial has coefficients, exponents and variables, etc. First, variable means variables. It has a polynomial has variables, exponents, coefficients, exponents, coefficients, etc. Variable means an alphabet which is represented in unknown value. An alphabet which represents a unknown value, an alphabet. Coefficient means a number. Coefficient means a number which is multiplied with variable. Which is multiplied with a number. Which is multiplied with variable. Variable example x comma y z etc. Coefficient a number which multiplied with a variable. That means for example 2x. In 2x coefficient is 2 and 4x square comma 5x cube. In these expressions coefficient means 2, 4x. In 4x square coefficient is 4, 5x cube. In 5x cube coefficient is 5. Standard form of polynomial is an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus up to so on a2 x square plus a1 x power 1 plus a0. It is a standard form of polynomial. In this polynomial, coefficients are, tell me students, coefficients are, an coefficients are an minus 1, a2 up to so on, a1. These are the coefficients of x power n minus 1 up to so on x square, x power 1. These are the coefficients. In this variable is x. Types of polynomial according to degree. Types of polynomial according to degree. Constant polynomial. A polynomial containing one term only consisting of a constant is called a constant polynomial. A polynomial containing one term only consisting of a constant is called a constant polynomial. That means a constant polynomial అంటే ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. ఇలా వన్ టర్మ్, ఆ వన్ టర్మ్ ఒక టర్మ్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది, అది కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 6, 4, 2/3. Zero polynomial. A polynomial consisting of one term namely 0 only is called a zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means a polynomial consisting of one term namely 0 only is called a zero polynomial. That means only 0 మాత్రమే ఉంటుందంటే zero polynomial అంటే. For example 0 linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. For example x minus 12, ax plus b, etc. Linear polynomial degree first డిగ్రీ 1 ఉండాలండి. అంటే పవర్, డిగ్రీ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఈజ్ డిగ్రీ? డిగ్రీ మీన్స్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్ ద polynomial. In the polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. It is very important. Degree of polynomial. Degree means the highest power of a variable in the polynomial is called degree of polynomial. And that means, for example, highest power, for example 2x power 5 plus 6x square. In this polynomial, highest power is 5. So degree is 5. Quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial. ఏ పాలినామియల్ ఆఫ్ డిగ్రీ 1. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడే డిగ్రీ గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం. డిగ్రీ మీన్స్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్ పాలినామియల్. ఇన్ దిస్ ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో ఫస్ట్లో x - 12 ఉందండి, దీనికి పవర్ 1. దట్ మీన్స్ డిగ్రీ ఈజ్ 1. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ పాలినామియల్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏ పాలినామియల్ ఆఫ్ డిగ్రీ 2 ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఏ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ పాలినామియల్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ x² plus 9x minus 2. ఇన్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ power 2, so degree is 2. In this example x² plus 9x minus 2, that means x² power 2 plus 9x power x power 1. In these expression power is 2, that means degree is 2. So ilanti degree 2 unna polynomials ni quadratic polynomial antaru. Next cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5x plus 7. In this polynomial, highest power is 3. So degree is 3. That means this polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Types of polynomials according to number of terms. Monomial. Polynomials having only one term are called monomials. Polynomials having only one term are called monomials. For example, -3x, 5x, 2p, up to so on, etc. Polynomials having only one term are called monomials. Mono means one. That polynomial is called monomial. Binomial. Polynomials having only two terms are called binomials. Polynomials having only two terms are called binomials. For example, 3x plus 5, 2x plus 6, to so on, etc. 3x plus 5, 2x plus 6. In this two terms are there. Children, look at this chart. One is 3x, second term is 5. In second example, 2x one term, second term is 6. So this example has two terms. So 3x plus 5, 2x plus 6. ఇలాంటి టూ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్న పాలినామియల్స్ని బైనామియల్స్ అంటాం. బై మీన్స్ టూ, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ బైనామియల్. Trinomial. Polynomials having only three terms are called trinomial. Polynomials having only three terms. That means, for example, 2x square plus 5x plus 1, comma 5x square plus 7x plus 9. In this example, look at this example. One term is 2x square, second term 5x, third term 1. So in this three terms are there, so it is called trinomial. Polynomials having only three terms are called trinomial. So this is a trinomial. Tri means three, so it is called trinomial. Next, multinomial. Polynomials having more than three terms are called multinomial. Polynomials having more than three terms ఉంటే ఆ పాలినామియల్ ఏమంటాము? ట్రైనామియల్. two terms ఉంటే బైనామియల్. సో ఓన్లీ వన్ టర్మ్ ఉంటే మోనోమియల్. సో multinomial means polynomials having more than three terms are called multinomial. That means more than three terms. For example, 3x cube plus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. In this example, there are four terms. Look at this example. One is 3x cube, second one is 2x square, third minus 7x plus 5, fourth term is 5. So this is a multinomial. More than three terms, that polynomial is called multinomial. Next, zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial p of x is a number a such that p of a is equal to 0. Zeros of a polynomial means zeros of a polynomial p of x is a number, that means a such that p of a is equal to 0. Okay, we take some problems. Find the degree of each of the polynomials. Find the degree. Degree means, what is a degree? Degree means the highest power of variable in polynomial. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial, it is called degree. So in this problem, first we take x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. In this polynomial, degree is how much? Highest power. What is the highest power in this polynomial? Tell me, students. Degree, highest power, that means 5. So degree is 5. In second one is 3x power 6 plus 6x cube minus 7. In this polynomial, highest power is what is the highest power in this expression or polynomial? Tell me, students. Degree means the highest power. So in this highest power is 6. Next, third one, 5t minus root 3. That means it is a polynomial in one variable. That means our variable entity t. So in this polynomial, 5t minus root 3, power, highest power is ikkada emi ledante power 1 unnattu. So degree is 1. Degree is 1. Next, we take another model. Write the coefficient of x cube in root 2 x cube plus 5. Coefficient means, what is coefficient? Coefficient is a number which is multiplied with a variable in polynomial. In this coefficient means, coefficient is a number which is multiplied with the variable. So in this first one, root 2 x cube plus 5. Here variable is x cube. So its coefficient is root 2. So coefficient, we find the coefficient of x cube. So in this polynomial, x cube coefficient is root 2. So coefficient is root 2. Next one, 2x square plus 5. In this coefficient, first x cube ఉందో లేదో చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ మనం అడిగింది రైట్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x cube. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్, ఇన్ దిస్ పాలినామియల్, x cube is not there. సో కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ ఉందా? x cube లేదు కదా. సో కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ 0. కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ 0. ఎందుకు? x cube అనే వేరియబులే లేదు. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ వేరియబుల్ కోఎఫిషియంట్. సో కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ 0. నెక్స్ట్ third problem. In this polynomial, it is which polynomial it is? Tell me. It is a monomial. Why? Because it is a only one term is there. So it is a monomial. So in this monomial, x cube coefficient, in this monomial, x coefficient is 2/3. So in this polynomial, that is monomial, x cube is there. So that's coefficient is at minus 2/3. Next, fourth one, pi by 2 x cube plus x. In this polynomial, x cube coefficient చూడండి, x cube coefficient ఏంటి? pi by 2. x cube ఉంది కాబట్టి x cube coefficient is pi by 2. Next, once again, find the degree. Find the degree. Degree means the highest power of variable in the polynomial. So in this first problem, degree is 5. In second one, highest power 6. So degree is 6. In third, 5t. So power is 1. Degree is 1. Next, coefficient means it is a number which is multiplied with a variable. So in this first one, x cube is variable. Its coefficient is root 2. Coefficient of x cube. Find the coefficient of x cube. So its coefficient is root 2. నంబర్ కాబట్టి నంబర్ అనేది వేరియబుల్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసేదే కోఎఫిషియంట్. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ రూట్ 2. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్లో ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ అనే వేరియబులే లేదు. సో అందుకని కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ 0. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఈజ్ మోనోమియల్ అండ్ క్యూబ్, ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఉంది. సో ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఈజ్ minus 2/3. In fourth one, x cube coefficient is pi by 2. Given p of x is equal to x plus 2. Look at the problem. P of x is x plus 2. Find p of 1, p of 2, p of minus 1 and p of minus 2. So first we take a given polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 2. Then we find p of 1. So first p of 1 means replace x by 1. So p of 1 is equal to, replace అంటే మనం x ప్లేస్ లో 1 ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో హియర్ x plus 2. So 1 plus 2 that is equal to 3. That means p of 1 is equal to 3. Next, p of 2. We find p of 2. In this similarly ఇలానే చేయాలి. p of 2. p of replace x by 2. That means x plus 2 polynomial. So x plus లో 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాము. 2 plus 2 4. That means p of 2 value 4 అని. Next, p of minus 1. Replace x by minus 1. So in this polynomial, replace x by minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. So it is subtracted by 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 1. Next, last one, P of minus 2. P of minus 2. In this replace, in this polynomial replace x by minus 2 plus 2. So it is 0. P of minus 2 is equal to 0. That means it is a 0 of the polynomial is 2. In this polynomial minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial is a 0. 0 of polynomial is nothing but root of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial and root of the polynomials and roots and ఒకటేనండి. So minus 2 is a P of minus 2 చేసినప్పుడు 0 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి minus 2 is a 0 of polynomial. That means x plus 2 is a 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. Find the next problem. Find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. అంటే ఫైండ్ వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలండి. గివెన్ పాలినామియల్లో మనం x is equal to 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది, x is equal to 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ వాల్యూ ఎంత అనేది. ఫస్ట్ గివెన్ let given polynomial is p of x. Let the given polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square minus 5x plus 3. When x is equal to 0, so when x is equal to 0, that means replace x by 0, then p of 0 is equal to replace x by 0. So in this polynomial 4 into x place for 0 kadandi, 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 3. 4 into 0, 0 minus 5 into 0, 0 plus 3. It can be 3. 0 minus 0 means 0. So 0 plus 3 is 3. So p of 0 is equal to p of 0 value 3 and next when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, that means replace x by 2. So first we write down, first we write given polynomial, then we substitute 2, p of 2, that means 4 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 3. That means 4 into 2 square means 2 into 2. That means 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 3. 4 4s are 16 minus 10 plus 3. 16 minus 10 6 plus 3 9. So its value when x is equal to 2, its value is 9. P of 2 is equal to 9. Find a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So first we take given polynomial. Given polynomial p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. It is a we find the 0 of the polynomial, so it is equal to 0. So p of x is 0. Polynomial p of x is equal to 0. That means 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to ఈ ప్లస్ 1 అటెంప్ట్ ఏమవుతుందండి minus 1. So x is equal to into, so y minus 1 divided by 3, we can get x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Given we take another problem. 2x minus a, then find a. First, given polynomial, here in this problem 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Given, it is given 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. So let us take given polynomial p of x. Let p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus a. So it is a 0 of the polynomial. So it is a 0 of the polynomial. It is a 0 of the polynomial. So 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. So we substitute x by 3. So in this p of 3 is equal to p of x is equal to 0. First we take minus a is equal to 0. That means first replace x by 3 and it is equal to 0. Replace x by 3. That means p of 3 is equal to x place లో 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. 3 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 into 3 minus a is equal to 0. That means p of 3 means 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 3s are 6 minus a is equal to 0. 9 plus 6 are 15 minus a is equal to 0. 15 is equal to a. That means a is equal to 15. I have explained once again. So first 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. So x square plus 2x minus a, then find a. Let p of x, given polynomial ni manam p of x ga anukuntam. Let p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus a. 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. So it is equal to 0 first. Then we replace x by 3. That means p of 3x in this polynomial x place lo 3 ni substitute chestunna. 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus a is equal to 0. 3 square means 9 plus 3 2s are 6 minus a is equal to 0. 9 plus 6 15 minus a is equal to 0. 15 is equal to a. That means a is equal to 15. So we find a value. A is equal to 15. Verify next model. We take the next model. Verify whether 2 and 1 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. Let us take a given polynomial. So let p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. 2 and 1 are zeros అవుతాయా కదా చూడాలండి. 2 and 1 are zeros of polynomials అవుతాయా కదా. Next first we take 2. If p of 2 is 0, then it is a 0 of polynomial. That means 2 is 0 of the polynomial of p of x, 1 of 1 polynomial. So first p of 2 we take we replace x by 2. That means 2 x place lo 2 substitute cheyada. 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. That means 2 square means 2 into 2 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 2 square minus 3 into 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 6 minus 6. That is equal to 0. That means p of 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 polynomial. Next we check 1. 1 is 0 of the polynomial or not. So in this we take p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. In this polynomial 1 substitute p of 1. That means replace x by 1. 1 square minus 3 3 into 1 plus 2. That means 1 square means 1 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 2 plus 1 3 minus 3. That means we get 0. So P of 1 is equal to 0. That means 1 is a 0 polynomial, given polynomial. 1 is a 0 of given polynomial. Okay, once again. Verify whether 2 and 1 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. First we take polynomial as a p of x. So let p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. In this polynomial we substitute 2 and 1. Then it becomes 0. Then that value is 0 of polynomial. So first we take 2. Replace x by 2 in this polynomial. So in p of x place now 2. Next x square means 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square means 2 into 2. So that is 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. P of 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 is a 0 of polynomial. Next p of x. Let p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. In this polynomial we substitute x by 1. So 1 by x. So p of 1 is equal to x plus 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square means 1 minus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 2 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. That means 1 is a 0 of given polynomial. Today in this class we learn polynomials, types of polynomials according to degree, according to types of polynomials according to degree. So okay, thank you for